Ever wonder if AI could just, be the ultimate fact checker?
In this crazy online world, we're all kind of hoping for an easy fix, right?
Because a lie can get halfway around the world while the truth is still tying its shoes.
And a lot of the time, how we feel just shouts louder than the actual evidence. Plus, you hear something over and over, and yeah, it just starts to sound true.
So, of course, we're hoping for an AI referee, something totally unbiased to make the call.
But here's the twist. That whole hope is based on a big misunderstanding of truth.
We think truth is just a pile of facts. But in reality, truth is often shaped by power.
Truth doesn't just win on its own. It often gets pushed aside if it's inconvenient.
So how does AI fit in?
Well, it learns from the world that we created. It's trained on all of our content.
Which means it learns all of our biases too.
It learns what we decided was important. And crucially, it learns from what we've all decided to ignore. So here's what we know for sure. AI adapts to power. It doesn't challenge it. And that means the idea of AI taking a stand for the truth, that's way exaggerated. Because truth isn't just about being accurate, it actually demands courage. Let's be real, AI has no skin in the game. It faces zero consequences.
So no, AI cannot be our moral compass.
Think of it like a torch. It can light things up, but we still have to choose the path.
That means the responsibility is on us to use this tool to see things more clearly.
We need to ask better questions. Not just is it true, but whose truth is it serving?
Because in the end, this isn't really about the AI, is it? It's about us.